Good morning. I will be giving a short tutorial and going through the CAL program called A Digital Workbook for Beginning ESOL. This CAL program does focus on the reading macro skill, and I will be going through it and showing you some of the activities that are included and integrated into it. Now, just by looking at it without even going through it, the first thing you do notice is that you can use this program both online and it has the ability to be downloaded offline, which gives students access whether they have internet or not on a device. You can download it in a number of different formats, such as like a digital PDF as a press book, or if you would like to print the PDF, you can do that as well. Now I'm going to read it online, so let's go through. And first off, in the introduction, the CAL program is divided into three different groups, ranging from beginning, beginning to intermediate ESL students. So, and each level has 10 units grouped into these three different levels. What you will find just by scrolling down and reading as well is that it does include a number of self-correcting vocabulary and comprehension exercises. Now, when you click on one of them, what it does is it opens up other resources which you can use within the program itself. Just like the original Beginning ESOL CAL program, it is available both online and has the ability to be downloaded. So let's go through it and just give you an idea of how to use this. Now, if you go to the contents, it does show you a number of different comprehension texts. And what you do, just click on one of them. So I'm going to click on Nikki and Mate are classmates. It does use images and it's very basic English, so it is focusing on the beginner ESL learners. And once it gives you some images and some details, you need to read them obviously. Then there are a range of questions which are included. Like you said, range of questions including multiple choice, closed passages and discussion lessons. So over here we've got closed passages, okay, which test comprehension. We've got true or false questions as well. We've got fill the blanks as well, which include like a word bank that students can use, and it also includes discussion questions. So it gives you a question, and so it does get students to practice their speaking skills as well. Now these comprehension questions are leveled as well. So the higher you go in your level, so from beginning to intermediate to high beginning and then into intermediate, the questions get a little bit harder. Now, if we go back to the original CAL program, the digital workbook, if you click on the drop down arrow, you will get other videos and exercises that are included as well. If you click on one of them, it's got a range of different scenarios. If we click on the first scenario, for example, greetings, it includes a range of videos that the student can watch. And then it does include as well some exercises, comprehension exercises that the student can complete as well. So you can see it's got a number of different types of exercises, including multiple choice, closed passages as well. All right, let's go back to the top. And these are arranged in different levels as well, as we mentioned before. It does include a lot of different aspects such as be and subject pronouns, be and questions, to have the scenarios around time and dates, daily routine, weather. What it does include also is like an overview for teachers of how to use the digital workbook, frequently asked questions, and some third-party tools and resources that the teacher might like to refer to and to use as part of using this CAL program. Now, what I found with this program was, yes, it is a really great tool to use in the classroom, but not a standalone program where students should just complete these activities. But I do find that it will give students the ability to practice skills that are learnt in class when it comes to reading, or the macro skill of reading, and it can be used as a homework component to practice some of those skills. What I also found was that it is not suitable for students younger than 12, only because the aesthetics used are not so appealing to the younger age group. And I do find that adolescents or teenagers and adults it will be better suited to them. Well, thank you, and I hope this tutorial was informative.